Hi and welcome to Warehouse Sales. At the moment we're looking at the Panasonic split system air conditioner range. The main difference compared to last year's models is that this year's models are using the ECONAVI sensor. So basically it'll automatically adjust the temperature settings to how many people are in the room. And also depending on the activity in the room, it'll blow the air directly to that area. Also, you've got the E-ion air purifying system. So this will remove any allergens and will deodorize at the same time. This comes in a whole range of different sizes depending on your room conditions, room sizes. For any more information, visit warehousesales.com.au.